आइए बहुत ही इजी वे में इंग्लिश ग्रामर को सीखते हैं। आज मैंने इसमें कंपैरिजन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स टॉपिक लिया है, जो अगर आपको समझ में आ गया तो समझ लो ग्रामर आपको समझ में आ गया। सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को और बेल आइकन भी दबाएं तथा वीडियो को शेयर करें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों में, जिससे वो अच्छे से ग्रामर पढ़ें। स्टूडेंट्स, प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था एडजेक्टिव्स के बारे में और उसके कितने प्रकार होते हैं एंड हाउ द एडजेक्टिव्स आर यूज्ड टू इनहेंस द क्वालिटी ऑफ नाउन। Today in this video I am going to tell you about the comparison of the adjectives. All of you are knowing about the degrees of comparison. It comes under the adjectives. So see how it is. Come to the point comparison of adjectives. For this you need to see the examples. Ram's mango is sweet. Second example, Hari's mango is sweeter than Ram's. Third example is Govind's mango is sweetest of all. So degrees of comparison, just to see how it is compared. Adjective sweet is the positive degree. You can say the simple adjective is there. You are adding some quality of someone but not comparing to anyone. Adjective sweeter, that is comparative degree. It means higher degree than the simple. Here the comparison always has been made between two persons or the things. Adjective sweetest, in third example I have taken, it is superlative degree and the highest degree of comparison. Here the comparison is done between not two only, it is among so many. So all are coming under that, Ram, Shyam, Mohan or the all. Formation of comparative and superlative. Now let us see how the formation of comparative and superlative is done from the positive degree. Most adjectives form comparative by adding er in comparative and est in superlative to the positive degree. Just you see here, let us see. Here is the positive degree, adjective of positive degree, here adjective of comparative degree and here adjective of superlative degree. First one you look at tall. Simply er is added here, taller. est is added here, tallest. It is superlative, it is comparative. Great, greater, greatest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Young, younger, youngest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Now one of this I am going to put in an example. Sita is a kind girl. Rita is kinder than Sita's. Shyama is kindest of all. सीता कैसी लड़की है? शी इज काइंड. नाउ रीता इज काइंडर देन सीता. श्यामा इज काइंडेस्ट. सबसे ज्यादा दयालु कौन है यहाँ? श्यामा. सुपरलेटिव. काइंडर, दो लोगों के बीच में कंपैरिजन हुआ, रीता एंड सीता. काइंड ओनली द सीता. So here is the rule 1. Now I will tell you the rule 2 also. You can write here the rule 1. In the second rule I will tell you some more things. Rule number 3 says when positive ends in E, only R and ST is used or added to the positive degree, such as positive degree, comparative, superlative. Brave, here it is ends with E, so only R is added and ST is added to the superlative. Here fine ends with E, R is added, ST is added to the superlative, large ends with E, comparative ends R is added, and at the end superlative ST is added. Brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest, large, larger, largest, wise, wiser, wisest. This is there. Now the rule number 3 says, when the positive ends in by preceded by a consonant. Look here, happy, it is ended with I and preceded by, इससे पहले क्या है, consonant. Then by is changed into I. Always keep in the mind for such things. Before adding ER and EST, ER to the comparative and EST to the superlative, always by will change into I. Such as examples, happy, here by changed into I, then IER is added, happier. Here by changed into I and IEST is added, happiest. The same is here, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Lazy is positive degree, lazier is the comparative degree and laziest is the superlative degree. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Some more rules are here, I will keep continue, so be attentive. Here rule number 4 says, when positive degrees word end with a consonant and preceded by a short vowel, then the consonant is doubled before adding ER and EST to it. कॉन्सोनेंट व्यंजन, वॉवेल स्वर, ये स्वर व्यंजन आपने पढ़े होंगे कॉन्सोनेंट वॉवेल्स इन द लोअर क्लासेस. तो उसमें जब हमारा कॉन्सोनेंट पे ख़त्म हो रहा है, उससे पहले क्या आ रहा है उस वर्ड में, स्वर, वॉवेल, देन दैट कॉन्सोनेंट डबल्ड, उसको रिपीट कर देते हैं वन लेटर कॉन्सोनेंट का. लुक द एग्जाम्पल, रेड, हियर इट इज शॉर्ट वॉवेल and here it is consonant. So in the comparative degree, RED, red, it is become redder. DER is added. D is repeated, ER is added. Here reddest, D is repeated, EST is added. To comparative and superlative degree, in both the consonant is doubled. Just you see, it is said over here, doubled before adding ER and EST to it. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. In all the words, the consonant is doubled in the comparative and the superlative degree. So keep this thing in the mind, and you can change the positive degree to the comparative and superlative in this way. Rule number 5 says, adjectives of more than one syllables, one means one word से अधिक भी उसमें कुछ जुड़ रहा है पहले से ही. As beauty is a single word, but by is changed into I and full is added to it to make it adjective. So look here, then when more than one syllables form the comparative and superlative by adding more and most before the positive degrees, such as positive degree is here beautiful, comparative more beautiful, superlative most beautiful. In positive the word is difficult, here it is more difficult comparative and superlative most difficult. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Is this clear? If not, then you can comment properly. I will make it more clear by making one more video for that. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you once again.